Hello everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to use Klarna on Walmart online. First, add the items you want to buy to your Walmart cart and proceed to checkout. When you reach the payment section, select One Pay Later. This is Walmart's Buy Now, Pay Later option powered by Klarna. Klarna lets you split your total into smaller, fixed payments instead of paying all at once. At checkout, Klarna will do a soft credit check to determine your eligibility. Don't worry, it won't affect your credit score. If you're approved, you'll be able to choose a payment plan that fits your budget and complete your purchase. And that's it. You've just used Klarna on Walmart Online to pay later with ease. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.